Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Word and creating a new document. Make quick choices that shape everything else. Select a template only if it speeds your workflow, otherwise choose blank to stay flexible. Once done, set page size and margins in layout so formatting won't surprise you later. Make sure to save right away with Save As and set auto-save or versioning if available. This prevents lost work and gives you a restore point as you proceed. Now focus on content and structure. Apply styles for headings and body so formatting stays consistent across edits. Use the Insert menu to add images, tables, and captions. Choose Wrap Text to control flow around graphics. For long documents, use Navigation or Outline View to reorganize sections quickly. If collaborating, turn on track changes and add comments to explain edits. This preserves history and makes review straightforward. Make sure to periodically update the table of contents if you're using one. Finish by proofreading with spelling and grammar and read aloud to catch flow issues. Use find/replace for global fixes. Once complete, export using Save As or export to PDF and embed fonts to preserve layout on other devices. Before sharing, check accessibility and update the table of contents. If something goes wrong, like corrupted formatting, try copying into a new document, use clear formatting, or paste as plain text and reapply styles. This often resolves hidden style conflicts without losing content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.